Ever accidentally overwritten a brilliant paragraph in Google Docs and felt a wave of panic? Don't worry, I'm here to show you how to recover your precious words using Google Docs' built-in version history. First, open the Google Doc you want to review and go to the File menu in the top left corner. In the drop-down menu, look for Version History and hover your mouse over it. Then, select See Version History. A sidebar will now pop up on the right side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of all the different versions of your document automatically saved with timestamps. Click on any of these versions to see a preview of what the document looked like at that point in time. The changes will be highlighted for your convenience. Now, if you find the paragraph or section you're looking for in a previous version, there are two things you can do. You can either copy and paste that specific text back into your current version, or you can restore the entire document to that previous version. To restore the entire document, simply click on the Restore This Version button at the top, and voila, your document is back to its former glory. And that's it, no more fear of losing your work in Google Docs. With version history, you're always in control of your documents. Happy editing.